Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the phone still boots and can charge. If it shows LED or vibrates, move ahead. Next, plug a USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter into the phone and connect it to a TV or monitor so you see the interface. Once the display is visible, attach a USB OTG adapter and a simple USB mouse or wireless dongle. This gives you immediate visual feedback and a pointer for tapping where the broken glass prevents touch input. With the monitor active, use the mouse to unlock the device. Click the PIN pad or pattern points as needed because mouse clicks simulate touch. Once unlocked, navigate to settings to enable file transfer or Wi-Fi tethering. Make sure to accept any USB or data prompts. If a password or long text is needed, add a USB keyboard through OTG to type efficiently. You can now access apps, enable backups, and run transfers. Everything is controlled from the external display and mouse. Finally, transfer photos, documents, and contacts. Connect the phone to a PC and choose file transfer or upload to cloud storage while signed in. Once data is safe, enable automatic backups and sign into accounts to prepare a replacement device. If the external display shows nothing, make sure the adapter supports your phone. HDMI alt mode vs MHL, try another OTG cable, and reboot the phone while cables are connected. If still failing, try a different TV input or adapter brand to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.